permanently discredited and abandoned. Everywhere is war. There's a war until there's no first class and second class of any nation. Until color of the man's skin is no more significant than the color of his eye. But there's a war. But until the basic human right, equal guarantee, all without regard to race, there's a war. But until that day, the dream of lasting peace, world citizenship, rule of international morality, yeah, it's morality, yeah. Remain that fleeting illusion, be pursued, but never attained, never attained. Everywhere we walk, there's a war. War in the east, war in the west, war up north, war down south. But there's a war, rumors of a war. But until the ignoble control the regime of in Soweto, in Mozambique, South Africa, superhuman boundary has been toppled, utterly destroyed. Everywhere is war, there's a war. But until that day, the African continent not know peace. We African will fight necessary. We know we shall win. We are confident in the victory. Good over evil, of good over evil, good over evil, good over